If you've come to believe that peanut butter, almonds, and spinach are always good for you, today's video might surprise you a little bit. These three commonly acclaimed health foods could actually be contributing to health problems. Let's talk about why these foods might not be as beneficial as you think. Number one, peanut butter. Peanut butter is often celebrated for its protein content and vitamin and mineral content. However, the negatives definitely outweigh the positives in my opinion. Peanuts have one of the highest concentrations of a toxin known as aflatoxin. This is a mold toxin that forms when peanuts are stored in moist conditions. The toxin is associated with various health risks, including liver damage. Peanut butter is rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which in excess is definitely can cause inflammation. Most peanut butter is also processed in a way that oxidizes these fats, making them extra harmful, causing free radical damage and oxidative stress. Given that many diets are already super high in omega-6 fats from sources like soy, corn, canola oils, all types of vegetable oils, adding this intake from peanut butter can contribute to insulin resistance, heart disease, brain inflammation, cancer, and other health problems, including weight gain and making it very difficult to lose weight. Additionally, peanut butter contains moderate amounts of oxalates, which are plant-based compounds that can contribute to kidney stones, thyroid issues, and joint problems when consumed in excess. You might have heard of oxalates recently because of the carnivore diet, because the carnivore diet eliminates vegetables completely, which eliminates oxalates from your diet. So let's talk about spinach. Spinach is often touted as a superfood due to its nutrient content. However, it also contains high levels of oxalates, one of the highest among commonly consumed vegetables. A typical serving can contain up to 600 milligrams of oxalates. Renowned expert Sally Norton suggests that a safe diet daily intake is often only 100 to 200 milligrams to avoid any health complications from excessive oxalates. This high oxalate content in spinach can lead to serious health issues like kidney stones, thyroid dysfunction, gut damage, and joint pain. There have been reports of individuals experience oxalate poisoning from consuming too many green smoothies, leading actually to emergency room visits for kidney failure. And finally, let's talk about almonds. Similar to peanut butter, almonds are often included in many health-conscious diets. However, they share very similar drawbacks. Almonds are also high in omega-6 fats, which can contribute to inflammation when not balanced with omega-3 fats. They also have a significant amount of oxalates, which pose the same health risks that I've mentioned with spinach and peanuts. While almonds and almond milk might be marketed as heart-healthy options, their very high oxalate and omega-6 fat content can make them less favorable. They may be okay in moderation, but frequent consumption might be worth reconsidering, especially for those with health concerns. So, peanut butter, spinach, and almonds do offer some nutritional benefits, but their potential drawbacks should not be overlooked, especially if you're prone to or are managing specific health issues. As with all foods, moderation and a balanced diet are key in maintaining good health. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Nick Garcia, holistic nutritionist and certified health coach with The Health Report, and I hope you learned something today. If you have any comments, shoot a comment below, like my video, and of course, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel.